Hello you guys, thank you for coming back to the channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of my airlift kit system, 3P management system. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and this is what you get if you order the whole system together. For me it took a while to get all these packages. Roughly it took 2 weeks to get all of them. But here we go. I'll show you guys what's inside these boxes. Before I start, all the items I buy, it's down in the description. So if you want to get the same system as I did, just click in the bottom, you'll see where I got it. And hopefully you might like it like I did. This is the part number for this car, for my hatchback. And okay, let's see what's inside here. And by the way, this is the first box I got out of all three of them. This is what it comes. The first bag. Second bag. All the tools that comes with it, as well these bags for the rear, both of them, and here, just doing it with one hand. It's the shock. It's the two shocks. Comes another one over there inside. So this is the bags. You can adjust it how low you want to go or how high you want to have it for the airlift. I'm gonna take them out and show you on the desk. And these are the D2 Racing Air Struts. It looks very nice. And as well as it tells you where it goes front left and front right. And this is how they look. They look nice and clean. I was expecting to get these. I was excited when I saw them first. I don't know how you guys think about this one. Do they look good? Just can't wait to install them. That's gonna be on a separate video in the beginning of the year. Hope it comes out perfect. This is the air bags that I chose to run for my hatchback, and I'm gonna install it with my brother and my cousin. Hopefully it goes good for us. Now let's go to the next box. What comes in? Okay, now the next one. This one is the tank. Oops, I was about to drop it. There you go. That's the tank. Comes in a long box. Just give me a moment. Let me take it off and put it on my little desk. I'll be back. Well, this is how it's packaged. It's a 4-gallon tank. Alright, I need to use both of my hands, so can I take it off? Yeah, I use my both hands to pick them up. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna take this off and show the whole thing for you. So this is the tank, both sides. It looks very nice and clean. It looks very nice. So this is the tank that comes with the long one. Let's go to the next one in the final box that came with the whole system. And here's the last box. It comes with everything, the brain of this installation. I already opened it. The 3-piece system. And well, let's take it out and see what's inside this box. In this big box, it came with the 3P management system, and as well inside the same box, whoa, that was not good. So is this and the wiring to connect it. It came in this box as well. The drain and the rest of this too. And I'm gonna put it back inside. This is where it came. I think it's the 1/4 line that I got. So I will show you guys. Put everything inside. I'll show you what's inside in this little box. You probably might know what it is, but I will show you. So it's easy to take off. Open. It comes with the instruction, guidelines for the 3P system airlift performance. It comes with the brains and the remote control. I'll take it off with one hand. I would say it's an iPod. Set up the camera. Oh, man, it's really stuck in there. Oop, ripped it. No matter. So yeah, this is it. I'll put it back in for later. Back. Okay. So, this and what's inside is more wiring. The cutter will give us some zip ties and all the wiring parts to install everything inside the car. Put it to the side. Sorry, more cheese. Oh no, there goes the box. Oh man, it's heavy. Just give me a moment. There you go. This looks pretty cool. Alright, this is when it comes. Okay, let me fix all this so I can show you the last box that comes with it. Just give me a moment. And the last box is the compressor, the air compressor. And as well as of course, it's other stuff. I think this is extra. Alright, let's take it off. For me, I think they did a bad packaging. This is how it came. But I don't know. Hopefully it works. Because look at that. Bad packaging. I think they were fighting with the box. I don't know what happened there, but hopefully no damage has been done to it. So far it looks good. The wiring, I don't want to take it off, but you'll see it when I install it. And let's see. Well, that's all. That's what all 3 boxes contain. It took this one, the last box, and the air tank box as well, took 2 weeks on so they shipped them differently. I got the D2 air bags separately with these 2 bags. Well, I mean, I'm sorry, with these 2 boxes. So there's the whole system. Just wait until the beginning of the year so I can install them, and stay tuned for the next video. That will be my installation of the airlift.